Okay, so we're going to remove the left muffler and the right muffler. You leave the header pipe on the bike. This just gives you better access to the axle to move it in and out. I like to jack the bike up and then let it down so it just puts a slight amount of pressure on the tire where you can just slide the axle in and out without having to monkey around aligning the axle. So simply pull the axle out, clean it and lube it, slide our female axle adjuster on over the original axle adjuster that is welded to the axle. It gives you a full range of motion, eliminating that flat spot in the stock axle adjuster. Slide the axle back through the wheel using all stock spacing. We're going to put the axle all the way through and install the slave side of the axle adjuster with a nut. We're going to just snug this down a little bit. We're adjusting the axle to get the proper chain tension on our bike. As you can see, it falls right into that range where the stock axle adjuster has got the flat spot on it. Adjust our chain, get our proper tension on the chain. I'd like to see about an inch total up and down movement on a new chain. And then we'll go ahead and torque our axle down, 95 foot-pounds, and you're all set. You can get yours at traskperformance.com.